if I told you that these YouTubers were lying to you?
3 weeks ago, I uploaded my first video on this channel. Today, it has 10% click-through rate.
I'm a 17-year-old YouTuber with over 30,000 subscribers, and I monetized a fresh YouTube channel in only 30 days.
I hit 1,000 subscribers in under 30 days on a brand new channel to prove it's not luck.
Would you believe me? Probably not, right? I mean, who am I? And what social proof do I have to show for? First off, I'm a faceless YouTuber. This is my very first video. I'm just a nobody. But whether you want to believe it or not, these guys aren't telling you the whole truth. They make it seem as if you can blow up on YouTube with only one video, or that all you need is the right YouTube package to go viral, you know, the right title, thumbnail, script, and a fire edit. Then you'll go viral. But that's not the case. In fact, it takes a ton of skills and most time an entire team to create YouTube hits. But what is one thing all of these guys have in common?
I've created a course covering all aspects of succeeding on YouTube.
So this is the blueprint to making $10,000 a month online as a beginner in 2024.
They all have something to sell you. A service such as vidIQ Analytics for YouTube growth, or a course to grow on YouTube. You see, most YouTubers in this niche is actually here to make money by selling you dreams. They never tell you that it will take hard work and dedication, because they want to make it seem as if it's an overnight thing. And to do so, you just need to buy into their course to learn this magic skill to turn you into a successful YouTuber. I'm sure you heard the quote, "During a gold rush, don't dig for gold, sell the shovel." Well, that is exactly what is being done here. These YouTubers are cashing in on the hopes that you will get rich by finding gold while selling you the shovel. It's quite manipulative, right? Well, no, it's actually just a form of online marketing, and it's quite effective. So the big question is, how do they get their channel to blow up? Well, I can tell you for a fact that even if you buy their courses, they will not tell you how this is done. But I got a secret for you. There are 2 ways to get this done. The first method is by networking with a ton of people and having them watch your video till the end, like it and comment. This will boost your video's performance, opening up the doors for more people to watch your video. And this is fine and all, but what if you don't have a network of friends to boost your video? Well, I'll tell you about the second method, but I have to warn you. It's unethical and against YouTube policy. In fact, a lot of YouTubers who know this secret will probably be pissed off with me that I'm sharing this info with you. In fact, it's a black hat technique. So what exactly is a black hat technique? A black hat technique in tech is a way to break rules or do something sneaky. It's often used in computer security. It means someone is using tricks to get unauthorized access or cause harm in computer systems. It's the opposite of white hat techniques, where people follow rules and help make systems safer. So is black hat techniques illegal? Well, not exactly, but it is against the rules of the YouTube platform. For example, hacking is illegal, but buying views is not. See where I'm going with this? It's not exactly illegal like hacking, but it's not allowed. Doing this can get a channel banned or penalized by YouTube. It's a dishonest way to look more popular, and it can mislead people. And that is exactly what a black hat technique is. However, this second method that I'm about to share with you isn't exactly buying subscribers per se, but more like buying views from real users who will leave comments, thumbs up your video, and subscribe, thus helping you boost your video. Think of it like buying your friends, like I mentioned, as the first method. So you might be thinking, so basically use YouTube Promote to promote my videos? Not quite. You see, YouTube Promote is crazy expensive, and to be honest, not quite worth it. So here's the secret sauce. You can use a service such as microworkers to pay people a few cents to do micro tasks such as watch your video, like, comment, and subscribe, etc. Check out these tiny tasks. It's wild. Imagine this. Someone on the net will watch a YouTube video, hit like, drop a comment, subscribe, and even share it, all for 44 cents. Yep, just a couple of coins and you've got someone making the YouTube algorithm totally flip out with excitement. Sounds a bit sneaky, right? But hey, it really works. Now, you might wonder, why would anyone bother for less than half a buck? Well, let me tell you about microworkers. It's this cool place where folks from all over the globe come together. They knock out these little jobs that bit by bit can really add up. And we're not just talking about people from places where a meal costs more than a movie ticket. We're talking about places where 15 bucks can feed you for a whole day. Yeah, breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a second round for each. So this small change isn't so small to them. What you're doing is tapping into the awesome power of working with people from all over. But you're doing it in the world of digital marketing. Pretty smart, huh? So now you know the deal with these tiny tasks. It's like a secret handshake in the digital world. And sure, it's not the straightest path, but in the wild west of the internet, it's all about knowing the shortcuts. But let's get real. What's the end game with these black hat tricks? You might get a quick win, a rush of views, or a burst of comments. It's like a sugar high for your channel's stats. But then what? Here's where it gets juicy. You're not just gaming the system for a laugh, you're learning the ropes, seeing how the gears turn behind the scenes. Every comment you buy, it's like a peek behind the curtain of the great YouTube show. And let's face it, we're not just talking about some harmless magic trick here. This is where you need to weigh the risks. YouTube's got rules for a reason, and if you push too hard, you might find your channel on the chopping block. But then again, isn't that the thrill of it? Walking the line, pushing the envelope? So let's say you decide to take the plunge into these shadowy waters. You're not just buying views or likes, you're buying insights into the algorithm, understanding the what and the why behind every click. And by the way, in the beginning of the video, I mentioned that I had no social proof, but this method that absolutely no one would share is proof in itself. In fact, I've been working behind the scenes in the Blackhat community since 2012, so I know a thing or two. I'll never sell you a course. All I ask is that you share my content, like and subscribe so that I can share with you everything that I know for absolutely free. I'll share more golden nuggets just like this over a period of time, so if this is something you want to know more of, subscribe and share. The bigger my channel gets, the more lucrative information I'll leak. Remember, I'm not here to sell you a shiny dream or a magic pill. I'm here to show you the map of the maze from above. To be a dark web master is to know all the paths, even the ones paved in shadows. So, if you're ready to explore the lesser-known paths and hidden shortcuts of YouTube success, you're in the right place. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use these techniques wisely and always stay one step ahead. Keep it sneaky, keep it smart, and above all, keep watching. There's always more to learn, and I'm here to share it all. Welcome to the dark side of digital dominance. Welcome to the dark web masters.